In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the YouTube application is not working on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, whether the application is just not loading or you get some kind of error message, this video will show you exactly how to solve this. Now, what you need to do is grab your television remote and we're just going to press the home button located here. Now, it may be located slightly different on your remote depending on your TV model. And once we press this, this will bring up the Samsung home screen. Down at the bottom here, we have a list of our applications. So we're just going to use the arrow keys to scroll all the way across until we come to the YouTube application. Now, once you have YouTube selected, we're going to press OK on our TV remote. Now, if you can't launch up YouTube, then don't worry, just skip this step. But if you can launch up the YouTube application, then just give this a couple of seconds to load. And once you've got the app running on your TV, then all we need to do is use the left arrow key to come over to this navigation menu. And we're going to scroll all the way down to Settings. Then use the right arrow key on your remote control to come over to the Settings tab, and you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we'll have this option here for Reset App. So go ahead and select that on your remote, and then we need to come across to this Reset App button and then simply click OK, and once again hit OK. Now what this will do, this will clear all of your YouTube cache and app data, and in 80% of cases, this alone will fix the issue. Now if you're still having issues with the YouTube app, the next thing we can do is come back over to our television remote, and we're just going to press this Settings button located down here. So once we have the Settings menu on our TV, then what we're going to do is scroll all the way down to this General tab and then use the right arrow key to come across. And we're going to come inside of Network. Now, first thing to do is just click on this network status here. And just make sure that your television is connected to the internet. As you can see, this message here at the top, it says your TV is connected to the internet, so that should be working fine. Then we could close out of this window. Then it's a good idea to come down to this Reset Network button and then going ahead and resetting your network settings. So just confirm by pressing this Reset button here. And once you've gone ahead with that, you will need to reconnect to your networks. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and things like that. Now, once again, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, what we're going to do is come back over to this Settings menu, and this time we're going to scroll down to the Support tab. Use the right arrow key to come over to Software Update and press OK. And right at the top here, just click on this Update Now button. And what this will do, this will just scan your computer for any outdated software. And if there is an update, it will be listed here. As you can see, for my television, I'm already running the latest version, so I can press OK. It's also a good idea here to make sure you have auto update turned on. That way, when there is an update for your television, it will just go ahead and do that automatically. Now, if you have tried all of the steps in this video and that still hasn't fixed it, there's one last thing that you guys can try, and that's to come back over to this left-hand navigation, and we need to scroll up inside of the General tab. Use the right arrow key to come across, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and come over to this Reset button. What this feature will do is it will reset your television, so it will be like when you first purchased it. So all of your settings and app data and stuff like that will be erased, but in most cases, performing this factory reset will fix the issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.